Getting into Web3 payments can feel complicated for businesses. Here's how OwlPay Harbor simplifies it all.
A lot of businesses get stuck trying to connect traditional banking with digital assets. Well, OwlPay Harbor is that bridge. It securely moves your money in and out of Web3.
So what's an on-ramp? It's simple. It just turns US dollars into a stablecoin like USDC.
Okay, let's walk through the process. You'll see just how easy it is to use globally.
First things first, you're going to select deposit to kick off the on-ramp from USD to USDC. Next, just pick which one of your verified customers is making this transfer. Super simple. Then you'll pop in the destination wallet address and, of course, the right blockchain network. After that, fill in some important details like a reference ID and the beneficiary's name. And for the final step, just give everything one last look. If it's all good, hit submit. And boom, your transfer is created. You'll get the wire instructions right away to finish up. So why does this matter? Well, you get faster transactions, lower costs, and it's all secure. Ready to make your global payments way easier with stablecoins? Let's get you started. To learn more and get your business set up, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to help.